pulled down a little early. That happens. Okay. I think let's try a run with that. Yeah, we'll try a few runs with that, and then I'll take a quick break. Actually, Sapphire, would you mind making me a cheese sandwich? That way I have something to nom on my break. Iris, thank you for the hydrate. Cheers. Alright, well, let's see if we can put that boss practice to use. In 3, 2, 1, let's roll. Hopefully I didn't forget everything else, because we need that too. Allegedly. Nice. Barely missed that one. It's okay. I think he spawns off the second guy anyway. Should maybe be a 56. Barely a 56, I think. We will absolutely take barely. Oh, that was not as close as I thought. Goodness, Sapphire. Just tell me which beer I want with it. All of them, duh. Nah, I could use a new Dr. Pepper, though, if you want to open one up for me. Nah, don't open it. I can get my own Dr. Peppers. Keep it cold longer. Four, 5, 6. Oh, really? If I step back like half a step further. Yeah, it works. The strat works. And a tiny gold. The tiniest of golds, but it's a gold. Less than half a second. 0.469 seconds, y'all. Nice. Oh, I was way too early. Oh, I wasn't far enough left. Dang it, I do that way too often. I doubt myself on where he's gonna spawn, and then I just, like, mess it up because of that. This feels like a really good split. Or like like a really good segment. What? Okay. Could have stepped a little bit further left. Nice. Oh, that hit both. I didn't trust that it hit both, so we lost a little bit of time there, but it definitely hit both. Another small time loss, but that's okay. We can get that back later. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. That's the world record. With my phone alarm going off. That's world record, and that's the 1.5 or the 1x. Oh my goodness. Okay, the question is, do I want to push that further? Maybe not. Not right now, but maybe. We'll see after I get back from my break. We might try a different character. I gotta share this. Like... Ooh, okay. Also, y'all know what? Hold on. Okay. We did it. I'm glad we hit a new world record before the end of stream today. Before, I don't know, any of this. I don't know. Let me go get a clip of that so I can get it submitted. Ooh. By like 8 seconds too. That's crazy.